windows up.
Wow. Alright, roll down the windows. Wow. Man, I'm super glad that horn wasn't so loud. See, there's two different types of SD70 ACE horns. The loud one and the quiet one.
That must have been a quiet one, huh?
Is this train 2 miles long? Sandy?
I don't know.
F-love! What does F-love mean? Separate risk gravel? What does that mean too?
I have no idea.
KMF. What was that sound?
Sounds like he's speeding up.
Boot. Rest in peace, Ando, or, I don't know. Relu. Rex. Gassel. No Gassel.
He's doing 23 right now.
How fast?
23.
Wow, 23. Man, this is massive. This is 2 miles long, 10 feet.
Pretty long.
Is it 2 miles long?
Well, we'll have to wait and see how many there are.
Jacob. Whoa, we do something. Costco. Snaps. Key. Year of virus. Year of the virus. Is that a TV show? Year
I
of
don't
the
think so.
virus?
Haven't we seen this one before? The Duel?
Yeah, the duel. 10 feet.
Oh.
Swan or Smith. Does Year of the Virus mean a TV show?
I don't think so.
I don't know either. It's hard to say. Where's the end? This train is 2 miles long.
There's the end.
Man, that is massive. Or short, maybe. Slice.
Top speed of 23 miles an hour.
115 cars and 4 engines.